Have you ever woken up feeling exhausted even after a full night of sleep? Do you feel like no matter how much coffee you drink, no matter how much you rest, your energy just doesn't come back? If you're over 30, you are not alone. Most people think this is just aging, that the body naturally slows down and there's nothing to be done. But what if I told you it's not aging? What if I told you that your energy drops for very specific reasons? Hidden changes inside your body that few people understand. And more importantly, what if I told you that with the right knowledge, habits, and lifestyle adjustments, you could regain the energy you had in your 20s without extreme diets, supplements, or magic pills? This video is for you. This is the story of what happens after 30, inside your cells, your hormones, your sleep, your metabolism, and how to reverse it. Meet Daniel. Daniel is 34 years old. He lives in the United States. He works a regular office job, exercises, occasionally eats reasonably, and considers himself healthy. But every morning, Daniel wakes up tired. Coffee doesn't help much anymore. By mid-afternoon, his focus disappears. His motivation drops. He feels drained. Daniel thought this was normal. Most people do. But the truth is far more specific. After 30, your body begins to change. Quietly. Gradually. In ways you can't see. Energy systems slow. Hormones decline. Blood sugar becomes less stable. Sleep quality decreases. Low-grade inflammation rises. All these changes combine to silently drain your energy. And the problem is, most people don't even notice until it starts affecting their work, focus, and motivation. It starts at the cellular level. Every cell in your body has tiny power plants called mitochondria. These mitochondria convert food and oxygen into usable energy, the energy that powers your brain, muscles, and organs. When you are younger, mitochondria work efficiently. After 30, mitochondria slowly become less effective. The number of efficient mitochondria decreases, and the ones that remain produce energy more slowly. Your body still works, but it has to work harder to produce the same energy. This is why fatigue appears for no reason, why workouts feel harder, why recovery takes longer. Hormones are another critical factor. Testosterone in men, estrogen in women, and growth hormone in everyone begin to decline gradually. This slow decline doesn't cause illness, but it affects your day-to-day energy, mood, focus, and recovery. You don't feel sick, you feel off. Daniel noticed it in subtle ways. Muscle recovery slowed, motivation dropped, energy faded in the afternoons. Blood sugar is the hidden culprit no one talks about. Insulin sensitivity naturally declines after 30. Even if you eat healthy meals, your body may struggle to manage sugar efficiently. Blood sugar spikes cause energy crashes. Brain fog appears. Motivation disappears. You feel heavy and drained, especially in the afternoons. Sleep changes dramatically. Even if you sleep 7 or 8 hours, deep sleep and REM sleep decline. These stages are critical for recovery. Without them, your body doesn't fully repair itself. You wake up tired. Fatigue becomes chronic. Inflammation silently rises. Low-grade inflammation doesn't cause pain, so most people ignore it. But it drains energy. It forces your body into survival mode. Energy is redirected away from performance and motivation toward maintaining basic functions. This is why everything feels harder than it used to. Modern lifestyle accelerates these problems. Irregular meals, excess screen time, stress, and lack of movement all make the energy decline faster. Daniel, like most of us, had unknowingly adopted habits that worsened his fatigue. But here's the good news. Energy loss after 30 is reversible. You don't have to accept fatigue as normal. You can regain focus, motivation, and energy. Here's what Daniel did. He stabilized his blood sugar by eating consistently and avoiding long gaps between meals. He optimized his sleep by keeping a routine, avoiding screens before bed, and ensuring deep restorative sleep. He reduced inflammation through light daily movement, stretching, and anti-inflammatory foods. No extreme diets, no magic pills. Within weeks, energy improved. Within months, focus and motivation returned. Daniel's body felt lighter. His energy returned to levels he hadn't felt since his 20s. And you can do it too. Listen to your body. Energy loss is a signal, not a failure. Small, consistent habits make a huge difference. Eat balanced meals regularly. Prioritize deep, restorative sleep. Move your body daily. Reduce chronic stress. Avoid blood sugar spikes. This combination restores energy naturally. Your body wants to function well. It always has. The question isn't whether energy drops after 30. The question is whether you choose to listen and respond. Age doesn't steal your energy. Ignoring your body does. If you feel drained, unmotivated, or foggy after 38, this is your wake-up call. Your body is communicating. It's asking for balance. It's asking for sleep, movement, and better nutrition. When you respond, energy comes back. Focus returns. Motivation rises. You can feel better than you did in your 20s, even after C. This is the hidden science of energy loss after SU. It explains why so many adults feel exhausted, why coffee and naps no longer work, why life feels heavier than it should. Out, it also explains hope. Energy can return if you understand what your body needs. Daniel's story is proof. Our story can be next.